Having trouble saving your progress in Rocket League on your PC? No sweat. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing that pesky error. So let's dive in and get it sorted. No time to waste. Solution 1. Allow Rocket League through Windows security. To do this, click on the search icon here and type in virus. Then click on virus and threat protection from the search result. After that, click on manage settings under virus and threat protection settings. Now, scroll down a little and click on manage control folder access. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Next, click on yes to give permission. Now, hit that add an allowed app button and select browse all apps from the drop down menu. Next, go to your C drive and open up the program files folder. Now, open the Epic Games folder and then the Rocket League folder. After that, go to the binaries folder and to the Win64 folder. And then double click on the Rocket League executable you find here. Now go back to the previous page and toggle off control folder access. Click yes if asked for permission. Then turn it back on. And now check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Verify and repair game files. To do this, open up the Epic Games Store. Then click on library from the left side menu. Next, click on the 3 dot icons under the Rocket League's poster and select manage from the pop-up menu. Now, click the verify button next to verify files. And the app should verify and repair any damaged game files. After that, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Run Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. To do this, click on the system tray icon. Then right-click on the Epic Games Store icon and select exit from the menu. Now, right-click on the Epic Games Launcher shortcut from your desktop and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. Then hit the yes button to give permission. Now go to your library and launch Rocket League and you won't get that error anymore. So that's how you fix the fail to save file error in Rocket League on your computer. If the video helped you sort out the issue, please hit the like button. Got any questions? Just drop them in the comments below and I'll hit you back real soon. Thanks for watching.